Here we are starting the 1957 Dodge Sweptside D100 pickup truck. This one has the 315 cubic inch V8 engine, which was optional, and of course the push button automatic transmission. Both the engine and transmission appear to have been rebuilt. They both function like they've been rebuilt. You can see that the fuel gauge, amp gauge, temp gauge, and oil pressure gauges all work. Almost everything works on this truck. All the exterior lights, turn signals, hazards. The only things that I found that do not work are the blower motor and the AM radio that's mounted to the headliner. But everything else appears to be functioning just as it should. The power is strong, transmission shifts with ease, the steering feels okay, the brakes feel great, suspension is as a truck should be. Overall, this is a very nice running and driving pickup truck.